Hey, Brad.
How you doing?
Good. How about you, Brad?
What's going on?
All right. So, Brad, one question. What are the steps that's going to occur after the immigration judge terminates the removal proceeding?
What's one of the steps, what?
What are the steps that's going to occur after the immigration judge terminates the removal proceeding?
What do you mean, what is the steps that's going to offer after the immigration judge terminates it?
What is next after...
After he terminates it? Well,
yeah.
Why is he terminating it? Tell me what's going on.
I was in a removal proceeding, and with the help of joint motion with the chief counsel, we filed a joint motion, and immigration judge terminated the removal proceeding.
What was the joint motion based on? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to adjust your status?
Yes.
Okay. And the judge terminated it, or they rescheduled a new hearing? No.
I checked the A number yesterday, and it was terminated.
Okay. Now, do you have a green card right now, or you have nothing?
No green card.
Okay, where are you from?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm from Nepal.
From Nepal. Okay, how are you getting your green card? Who's sponsoring you?
It's a family-based, married to a U.S. citizen.
Okay. Have you filed that adjustment application?
Yes.
Okay. So, and did you get a work permit?
Yes, I do have a work permit.
So, what, did you go for an interview?
For the I-130?
Yeah.
Yes, it was approved. As a result, we applied for the...
Okay, because generally the judges don't terminate the deportation. They schedule it for a master calendar, and they do an adjustment before the immigration judge. That's usually what happens. So, in your particular case, it's unusual that they would terminate it. But if it's terminated, did you file an adjustment application with the I-130 or no?
No, because I was in a removal proceeding.
Okay, so now the next step is on you. So if it's terminated, you have to file an adjustment application now with USCIS.
So I have to pay another fee?
You would have to pay a fee of $1,225 if you haven't filed an adjustment application yet.
I already did.
You just told me you didn't.
No, I did.
So then you don't need. So then you need to notify USCIS that your immigration case was terminated. Here is. You checked online, or you have something signed by a judge?
I checked online this morning, and I went to the Dallas Immigration Court, and they gave me a dismissal letter.
Fine. Okay, so now you got to notify the local USCIS office where you went for an interview, where you filed the adjustment in the I-130, that you have an approved, you have a terminated removal order, so they should complete your adjustment now.
Oh, so I don't need to contact the National, National Benefit Center, or I just have to contact the local...
I don't know. Where is your case? You said you went for an interview, so your case should be at the local office, no?
I believe so, because...
I don't know, but I believe so, yeah. So wherever what you have to do is figure out where's your adjustment application right now. So if your adjustment applications at the local office, you got,
because I was in
or I know you were. So you want to cover your bases? Write the local office. Write the National Benefit Center.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Brad.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, but you got to notify them. Say, hey, here's the letter from the judge. It's terminated. Finish my case.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Good luck.
You too.
Let's go to Tias in Atlanta.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. What's going on?
Right. It's just a question regarding to a friend of mine that got arrested by the Border Patrol. He overstayed his visa, and he was riding the Greyhound bus going to Tampa. And, they do this checking IDs, and they randomly took him to custody. This was in 2018 to 2019. So we could release him by bond, and he's now in removal proceedings. He doesn't have any criminal background or anything like that. So he was married, and he filed for adjustment. However, he decided to get divorced. So it's been like few months, So he wants to marry another person, but the problem that he is facing now, he thinks that this person is too, maybe the immigration would think that this person is too old for him. So my question is, would be good for him for his case if he would marry somebody? He's 34 and the person is 49.
All right. So this is the story. How long has he been here in the United States?
Since 2015.
Okay. He needs to show up with a bona fide approved I-130 visa petition.
Okay.
Other than that, he's getting deported. End of story. Okay. It's either
before because he has his court in October.
Yes, before October. So he needs to come to court with an approved I-130 before October. Okay. So it's either going to be on wife number 1, which he said he ended the marriage, or it's going to be a future wife number 2. There is already a presumption that he married somebody for to avoid deportation if you get married after you're in deportation. So you're already suspect on marriage number 1. He's now divorced and married number 2. That makes him more suspect. The fact that there's an age difference makes it even more suspect. So we're just adding on top of one another. The good news of all of this is this. If it's a real marriage and they live together as husband and wife, who cares what they suspect? Because if you live together, it will be easy to prove it's a real marriage.
Okay.
So don't worry about age. Worry about, is it really real or not? And if it is, then do it. Show up to immigration with the realest real marriage.
All right.
All right?
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.